an awful lot of Manchester United fans here today. So we're underway then in Oslo. Dink or the right foot of Pogba. It is Pogba who takes it straight to the wall. Thought he was going to have a second chance there as well. He might. Pogba, great control. Onto his left foot. The curler! He's hit the woodwork. He's hit the woodwork, just as I said. He always hits the woodwork. Coming so close to giving United the lead here. Watch this footwork, superb. And then a left-footed curler.
Does he practice that shot hitting the woodwork?
But in there, Eric Bailly. It's in towards Eric Bailly, actually. Flicks it on. Oh, that could have gone anywhere. Well booted away by Tolos. He's done well so far. Mkhitaryan in again. Fellaini coming in. Deflected in off the defender. And United score right at the end of the first half. Fellaini with the downward header. Took a deflection. And after all that possession and pressure, United finally lead.
Oh, it's a great ball in shoot, you've got to say. Asking for somebody to get their head to it. Oh, unfortunately for Valerenga, it hit one of their players. I'm not sure the goalie would have saved it anyway. There was plenty of power behind the header. Would the goalie have saved it? It's unfortunate the goalkeeper and the defender. And he doesn't know it's hit him, does he? Tries to get out of the way.
Off the shoulder of Jonathan Tolos, who's done pretty well actually in the game.
We have it in him and Lukaku. Look after himself. With that little push there or a nudge. It's in the net, Stuart.
What a start to the second half. Lukaku taking less than 2 minutes of the second half to get a second for Manchester United, showing terrific power. Defending not the best, but United in total command of this game now.
That was a corner kick, Stuart, that came in. It's taken everybody by surprise in actual fact so early in the second half. They'll be caught asleep, of course, haven't they? Fantastic header, that, isn't it? Oh, when was the last time we scored from a header from a corner kick?
Well, these days we're a tall team, powerful team.
And we'll be a threat in the air at last, Stuart.
Well, it's Mitchell. Martial. Taking the direct route here, Martial. He tried to play in Scott McTominay, who finds it. McTominay! Great moment for the young man. Lovely finish from Scott McTominay, really composed, and United have 3 in Oslo.
That's a terrific goal, Stuart. That guy's got his back towards the goal. He obviously knows where the goal is. That's a terrific goal, that. Run by Martial, but that terrific goal by McTominay, that. He'd be pleased about that. He does fantastic here. He's not sure. Look, knows exactly what he's doing. I'm saying he's not sure. I'm not sure, but he knew exactly what he was doing. That's a terrific goal, that.
Well, he was too strong. He was too strong for Gleditsch there, and a really composed finish.
That little kid there's pleased, isn't he?